Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me new here, I'm Pragalpa, a mom of preschooler and author of the website Deserted Mom. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about how to homeschool our children during this lockdown period. Before going into the video, I just want to convey you that I'm not a professional homeschooling mom. I'm just doing it for my son for this lockdown period, and I don't use any professional curriculum. I just made a basic curriculum for my preschool son, and we are working on that every day. And the suggestions I am going to tell you today in this video will not only help you with your preschoolers but will also help you with your elder children. So let's get started. First of all, what is homeschooling? Homeschooling is providing education for your child at home by parents or any tutors or online teachers. Is homeschooling good? It all depends on the parents' view and the country where we live. But I want to say that at this time of pandemic situation, homeschooling is must necessary. On my opinion, even the child visits the school, homeschooling is very much necessary until the age of primary and pre-secondary and secondary children's. We don't want to homeschool them, but our assessment will always help them in their learning. I certainly believe in coordination of both teachers and parents in a child's education, and in this case of pandemic situation, schools and teachers are doing their best job to learn and provide distance education for your child's learning. They are learning so much to give best to your child, and we also need to give our best for our children to learn. So where and how to start homeschooling? Make a timetable for every day and sit with your child for learning. The schedule you are making, the time should not change every day. The time must be at the same so that it will create a routine for your child. In my case, I will show you my schedule, how me and my son are doing homeschooling. It's been 1 month now. Let me show you. So this is my daily homeschooling schedule for my 3-year-old. I won't change the time every day unless until the child is very much not in mood to sit with me. I give him a break for that day because making a moody child to sit with us for learning is not of use. So this is how it goes. My schedule goes from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. with my child. From 9 a.m. to 9:45, I have a circle time, and 9:45 to 10 a.m. I will give a break for him. In circle time, I will do make him learn his learning binder. I have a video for that. I will link that video in the description box. You can go and see what is in his learning binder. And I have some circle times video too. You can see that the way I'm given in the video, I will do the same with my child. So circle time goes like way, and from 9:45 to 10 a.m. I give him a break for water, peeing, or any snack, anything. He takes a 15 minutes of break, and from 10 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. Writing. You can change this kind of schedule anyway, like however your child likes, because my child likes writing a lot, so I start my day with writing. So he does his tracing activities, then comes all the subjects like maths, science, social studies. You can see here. If you want this schedule of mine, I have given the link in the description box, so you can go there and get the free printable and print it out for yourself, and you can also change it according to the way your child prefers. This tip not only goes for preschoolers, but even if elder children is having online classes, please do sit with them with the class. And if they are okay to go alone with the class, then assess them after their class finishes every day, like asking questions like how was the day, how what did they learn, and what is the tomorrow's plan, because these kind of questions will make them even motivation for their learning thing. And it is very important to assess elder child on their learning. So the second thing is curriculum choices. There are n number of curriculums for preschoolers, but what is that? I'm not going to homeschool my child for lifelong. So what I thought is that I make a basic curriculum for him, like what he needs to learn before he joins the school. So I made a note of all my subjects and lesson plans for that, and I start working on it with him. So let me show you how the plan goes. So this is my plan for homeschooling preschoolers from 2 to 5 years old. So these plans can be changed appropriate to your child's age, and you can go on it like that. If you are interested, I have given the printable link in the description box. You can go there and get it. The third thing is subject planning. Make a plan in such a way that all subjects are covered for the preschoolers. One main thing I have to say is that keep the learning play based. It must be play based actually for preschoolers. So it will help your toddler in learning even much more eagerly. Um, the major subjects for preschoolers includes like reading, writing, maths, and the other subjects include science, social studies, life skills. So many subjects are there, but these are the basic subjects. I will show you what are all the subjects I am taking care of with my child. So these are the subjects like language, maths, science, social studies, general. In language, we cover alphabet, uppercase and lowercase recognition, phonics sounds recognition, sight words. Maths consist of numbers, telling from 1 to 20, counting 1 to 20, and bringing the maths concept of addition from 1 to 10 numbers for them. And science, learning about parts of the body, senses, parts of the plant, animals, planets, flowers, weather. When you take planets, I have a video for planet learning. I'll give the link in the description box. You can go there and check how you can make your child learn planets so easily with DIY quiz learning. And social studies include community helpers, all about me topic, and recognizing them with the world map. It is very important to teach community helpers to our child and tell them about how much they help us. So basically, it goes like this. For elder children, school curriculums are there, and you can go and work with that. But for preschoolers, if you are interested, you can take this curriculum as a basic choice for your child. So the next thing is that plan your monthly, weekly, and daily schedule of your child's learning. We don't know when in this year the schools are going to start. It may take time, or even it may start soon. Hopefully, it should. But planning all those the next 6 months ahead is. It's not going to get wrong. It will help you only in the organization of your child's learning. So please plan your child's learning for next 6 months, and prepare a planner schedule for your child as a monthly, weekly, and daily schedules. So taking into consideration what curriculum you are going to choose and what subjects you are going to do with your child, start with a monthly plan, and with the monthly plan go to your weekly plan, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the this week I'm going to do this. This is the weekly plan, and after the weekly plan, just do your daily schedule, and this will help you not to get messed with your child's education. This plan also goes for your elder children. Even if you are not scheduling them, please tell them to schedule themselves for study, so that it helps them in being organized from now itself, and for lifelong they will be organized actually, because teaching them organization is very much important. Tell them to do that because it will help them to learn and make their education peaceful and calm, and nothing will be in a hurry burry last time, last minute tension. Nothing will be like that. So the next important thing is that plan your resources, like whatever curriculum you are using, you need to get your resources, and there are immense of resources in internet to take it, and you can use it freely for your child. So plan the night before with your resources for the next day morning schedules, and keep it organized, so that the next day morning all the schedules will go peacefully and calm with your child. Why I say is that if you have, in case of toddlers like me, if the thing is not organized and we are getting up every time for all the resources, the child will start to jump off, they get fussy, they start to play. Playing is not bad actually, but if we want to keep them steady for that whole time schedule I told you, the organization is very important. So night before, keep it very organized for the next day morning. I will show you, for example, I have this homeschooling box. I keep all the resources I need for the next day morning, and I'll keep on a table. So it is very organized, and I will make him sit for the whole time. I will give him a break as I shown in the daily schedule, like he takes 15 minutes of break, because it is very much necessary. But for the rest of hours, if we want to keep them organized, we have to keep this organized. So the best idea is that get ready a homeschooling box previous night, and on the morning keep a water bottle for you, water bottle for the child, keep some snacks ready, and start your homeschooling day. And that 9 to 1 of homeschooling will go very peacefully, calmly and happy with your child, and they will also be eager to do schooling with you. So for all this which I said, which needs to go smooth, this thing is very much important. The routine of your child and yourself too. So before starting homeschooling, you have to create a good routine for your child and for yourself, so that the routine will help you in scheduling your homeschooling work. Why I say is that because we see more works in a day, like we have to cook, we have to see our home, we have to plan our meal, what to do, we have to go for groceries. So many things are there. It never ends actually, but in that time we need to schedule for our child too. And the child has a routine, like from getting up to go to sleep, he needs to have a routine. From morning get up, like if I am scheduling my time for 9 a.m., he has to get up at least by 7:30 or 8 to have a good routine, like having a bath, taking his food. At least it needs 1 hour for him to get all this routine and come to home schedule. So likewise, keep a schedule for your child from getting up, and you too have a routine, and this homeschooling schedule will help you if you and your child gets to a routine. So I hope this video was helpful for you in starting a homeschooling for this lockdown period. I really appreciate teachers and parents, and I even appreciate the children who are very adjustable during this time of pandemic, because nowadays children are very accommodative. They adjust according to the situations going on. So it's we hope everything comes to normal soon. So if you find this video informative, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Mom Home Explore, and press that bell icon so that you will receive all my latest updates, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook page for other future video updates. So lastly, if you want to comment me about this video, or if you want to ask any questions regarding preschool education, please do mail me to the mail ID I've given in the description box, or you can also ask me through the messages in Instagram page and Facebook page, because as this is a learning channel, comments will be turned off, so you can comment me below the video. So you can mail me, or you can get me personally in my Instagram page or Facebook page. So I will see you with the next informative beautiful video. Thank you so much. Bye.